team ko.
Baka ma-fine ako. No, sinasabi ko, there are games when the other coaches, okay, team ko, they cross, nandun na sila sa technical committee. And they didn't even get a technical. The warning, I think what he got was a warning. So, I told the referee, so akala ko, pwede rin sa akin yun. Hindi ako nagbura. It was a dead ball. And I didn't go half as far as the other coaches did. I was just there, medyo nasa half court ako. But I expected at least a warning. So, what I was lamenting is the double standard. I think there's a double standard. If they say bawal magreklamo at bawal pumasok sa lahat. Maski 5 ka, basta pumasok ka, technical ka. I'll accept that. But if the others can do it, and then sa akin hindi pwede, that's where I draw the line. And yun ang rinireklamo ko. And iba-iba yung kanilang explanation sa akin, so, you know, but that's exactly my point.